Hi, and welcome to Master People Platform Tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to reuse old criteria. So this is relevant when we want to create a new assessment on the new platform, but we want to reuse criteria that has been created in the old Metis. So let's jump to the Master People platform. And as always, when I log in, I'm presented with the dashboard of New Line HR Limited. So creating new assessment is pressing the new button up here, but instead of choosing the solutions, which we showed you in another tutorial, I click here on the menu criteria. I am looking for a sales representative, and I'm doing a recruitment. I have the list down here of all the criteria that is available for my company, New Line HR Limited. I can filter, so I know that I'm looking for a sales rep, and I have different criteria. I know that I want to use UPTO, so it must be this criteria up here. I press, and then the system creates an assessment using the old criteria that I have already set in Metis. And I know that the workflow will include UPTO. So as you can see, if I click, the different criteria here is set just as I had the criteria made in the old Metis. I can still change if I want for the candidates to download a specific report, the test and the norm. This is not attached to the criteria. So I have to look at that and just confirm that that looks correct. Of course, you can still change if you want to. There's something you think is not exactly the way you want it, and then just pressing done. Now you have created a new assessment and you're ready to add the people and publish, so you send out the invitations. And that you can all see in another tutorial. Thank you for watching this one on reusing old criteria made in Metis. Thank you.